Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In your earlier classes, you have studied what are rectangles, square and circles and how to find their perimeters and areas. Won't it be interesting to see what happens if you take these figures? They change to three-dimensional figures. In exercise 13.1, we have studied about cuboid and cube, whose video I have shared in the link above. Please go through that video first. Now in exercise 13.2, we are going to study about cylinder. Now if we take a number of circular sheets of paper and stack them up one above the other, we get a right circular cylinder. So this is your right circular cylinder wherein the angle between the height and the base should be 90 degree here. So this is right circular cylinder. So formulas for that to be applied here are, first one is the curved, or it can also be said as lateral here, surface area of cylinder, but in case of cylinder we are going to use the word curved here only. So curved surface area of cylinder is that it can be written as CSA equal to 2 pi RH. So you know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r and including this height here, so it becomes 2 pi RH. Then the total surface area of the cylinder, that is TSA. So total surface area along with the curved surface area, the top and the bottom. So this becomes 2 pi r bracket r plus h. So this is the formula for total surface area of cylinder. And area of the ring. So if it is made up of any metal which has some thickness, so this is inner radius and this is outer radius. If you want to find the area of the metal or the wood or anything like that, so it can be written as area of the ring here, only this much part. So that will be pi r square minus r square. Bigger square of the bigger radius minus square of the smaller radius and multiply it with pi. So value of pi here you have to use as 22/7 unless it is stated that you have to use as 3.14. Okay. So let us start with exercise 13.2. The first question here is, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 and that is given as, curved surface is given as 88 centimeter square. You have to find the diameter of the base. So to find the diameter, first you have to find the radius here. So write the given things first. Curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 88 centimeter square, height is 14, you have to find the diameter. So CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, formula. Substitute the values. You need to find here R. So make this equation subject for R here and take all the other values on this side. So it will be here. So this becomes here 7 1s are 7 2s are 14 and 22 1s are 22 4s are, and this is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2 1s are. So it becomes 1. So the answer is 1 meter. So radius is 1 meter. So diameter will be 2 into 1, that is 2 meter is the diameter. Okay. So therefore the diameter of the base of the cylinder is 2 meter. That is the required answer. Question 2 here is, it is required to make a closed circular cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter is given as 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for this same? So such type of sheet, what is the surface area of this sheet, you have to find out. So height is given as 1 meter, diameter is 140. So for in the formula we are using radius, so you have to find the radius here, that is d by 2, diameter by 2, that is 70 centimeter, but height is in meter, so change it into meter, that will be 0.70 meter. Apply the formula. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Substitute all the values here. So the total surface area of cylinder comes out to be 7.48 meters square. So therefore 7.48 meter square metal sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. Question 3 here is, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long, so that means it is height here, and the inner diameter of the cross section is 4 meter. So inner diameter, this much, is 4 centimeter, and the outer diameter, that is capital D, will be 4.4 centimeter. So inner diameter is 4, so inner radius will be 2 and height is 77 centimeter. The pipe, it is a pipe, so it is hollow from inside here. Now inner curved surface area of pipe is 2 pi RH. So substitute the values taking radius as, for inner radius is 2 centimeter. So inner curved surface area is 968 centimeter square. Then outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. So outer radius will be 2.2 and height is the same, 77. So for outer curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Substitute the values for the radius as 2.2. So outer curved surface area of the cylinder is 1064.80 centimeter square. So then the third point here, you need to find the total surface area. So the total surface area, since it is not a solid here, so you have to find the ring. You have to find the ring-like structure. So area of upper ring is pi capital R square minus small r square. So it is 2.64 centimeter square, and area of upper ring will be the same as area of lower ring here. So that will be 2.64 centimeter square. So total surface area of the pipe is inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, then area of upper ring and area of lower ring. Add all this together, you get the total surface area of the pipe as 2038.08 centimeter square. Question 4 here is, this is a road roller whose diameter is 84 centimeter and length is 120 centimeter. So this is the length, that is 120 centimeter, and diameter as 84. So length means equal to height here, that is 120. Okay, so diameter, from diameter you have to find the radius, that is d by 2 is 42 centimeter is the radius. Now here they are asking, it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over the playground to level it. Find the area of the playground in meter square. You have to find the answer in meter square. So here if you move the road roller, it is touching the land. So by the sides here, not this circular vertical, this top and the bottom are not touching, only the curved surface area is touching. So here you have to find the curved surface area of roller as 2 pi RH. Using this formula, you will find the answer for the curved surface area of roller as, so this becomes, after cancelling 7 1s are 7 6 are 42 and multiplying all this, you will get it as 31680 centimeter square. So this is the curved surface area for one revolution. Okay, and this converted into meter now here. So this is square, means 2 times 100, so it will be 3.1680, you can take, that is meter square. So for one revolution it is 3.1680 meter square. So for 500 revolutions it will be how much? Multiply by 500 into 3.1680, so it will be 1584 meters square. So this much area will be leveled in 500 revolutions. Right? Question 5 here is, this is a cylindrical pillar of 50 centimeter as the diameter and 3.5 meter is the height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.50 meters square. So only the curved surface they are asking. So height of the pillar is 3.5, diameter is 50 centimeter, radius is 25. Convert into meter. So you have to find the cost of the painting of the curved surface area. So first find the curved surface area of the cylindrical pillar as 2 pi RH. Substitute the values, you get 5.5 meter square. Cost of painting is given as 1 meter square is 12.50. So the required area is 5.5 meter square. Cross multiply and you get the answer as 68.75 meter rupees. So the total cost of painting the cylindrical pillar is 68.75 rupees. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4. So curved surface area of this cylinder is given 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7, you need to find the height. So very easy one. So CSA is given, R is given, you have to find the height. Substitute in the value here. For H, find the value. So make H as a subject here and you will get it as 1 meter. So the height of the cylinder is 1 meter here. Seventh question. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 and its depth is 10 meter. You have to find the inner curved surface area and cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square. So height of circular well is 10 meter, inner diameter is 3.5, so inner radius will be 3.5 by 2 meter. No need to find further in decimal, we are going to use here in the formula. So inner curved surface area of the circular well is 2 pi RH. Substitute the values here. So inner curved surface area will be, you will be getting as 110 meters square. Then you have to find the cost of plastering. Rate is given as 1 meter square is 40 rupees. So the required area is 110 meters square. Cross multiply, you will get it as 4400 rupees. So the cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square is 4400 rupees. Question 8 here is, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface of the system. That means you have to find the total surface area of the cylindrical pipe. Okay, so length of the cylindrical pipe is, that is height is 28 meter, diameter is 5 centimeter, so radius is 2.5 centimeter, that is 0.025 meter. So total surface area of the cylindrical pipe is 2 pi r plus h. This is the formula we are applying. Substitute the values of r and h here and pi as 22 by 7. So approximately here we are getting as 4.4. It is 4.3 something. So it is approximately as 4.4. Hence the total radiating surface in the system is 4.4 meters square. Here, ninth question, you have to find the lateral or the curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 in the height. And also you have to find how much steel was actually used up if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So diameter of the tank is given as 4.2. So radius will be 2.1 meter. Height of the tank is given as 4.5 meter. Now you have to find, first you have to find the curved surface area. They are asking here curved surface area. So curved surface area of petrol tank equal to 2 pi RH. Substitute the values here. So curved surface area here is as, this will be something 59.4 meters square. So that is the curved surface area of petrol storage tank is 59.4 meters square. Then find the total surface area of the petrol storage tank, that is 2 pi r plus h. So substituting the values, it will be 87.12 meters square. That is the total surface area. Now let the area of the steel used in making this tank be x meter square, and steel get wasted in the preparation is 1/12 of the total, that is 1/12 x meter square. So the remaining steel is total minus this one. So x minus 1/12 x, that is 11 x upon 12 meter square. So this is the steel actually used here, that is the total surface area. So 11 x upon 12 equal to 87.12 meter square. So find the for x here. This is meter square. So make subject for x here. So x will come as 95.04 meter square. So 95.4 meter square steel is used for making the petrol storage tank? 10th question here is, this is a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base of diameter 20 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter, and a margin of 2.5 is to be given for folding from the top and the bottom of the frame. How much cloth is required for making the lampshade? So diameter of the lampshade is 20, so radius will be 10, height is 30 given here, and margin given for folding is 2.5. So total height for along with the margin is, so this is 30 and this is 2.5, this is 2.5. So add all this together, 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So total height becomes as 35 centimeter. Therefore total area of the cloth required to cover the lampshade is, that is the curved surface area, because the lamp is open from the top and the bottom, so it is 2 pi RH. So the total area of the cloth required is 2200 centimeters square. Question 11th here is, the students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder whose base is of radius 3 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? So radius of the pen holder is 3, height is 10.5. Pen holders are open from the top but are closed from the bottom. So area of one cardboard pen for one pen holder. So to make one pen holder, the area of the cardboard required will be the curved surface area and the area of the base. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH and area of base is pi r square. Take pi r common from both this. So the remaining will be 2h plus r in the bracket. Substitute the values here. So this much is the area. No need to find the answer here because this is for one pen holder. So area of cardboard for 35 such pen holders. So multiply this whole equation along with 35 here and then do the cancellation. So the answer will be here 7920 centimeters square. So the Vidyalaya has to produce or purchase 7920 centimeter square cardboard for the competition for making 35 pen holders. So this was your exercise 13.2. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math, and also press the bell button to get the notifications.